Unlocking the secrets, how the mysteries of human psychology keep us engrossed. Intrigue is the whisper in the dark that makes your heart race, a carefully crafted enigma that beckons with the promise of hidden depths. It's the art of revealing just enough to captivate imagination, leaving a trail of breadcrumbs that invites a closer look. Unpredictability is the spice that keeps the relationship exhilarating. When patterns are mixed and the expected becomes unexpected, every moment together becomes an adventure. It's the delightful uncertainty of what will come next that keeps the flame of interest alive. A relationship thrives on the challenge, much like a puzzle begging to be solved. Each piece represents a unique aspect of your being, inviting your partner to explore deeper. It's the complexity and the layers that make the journey of discovery so compelling. Creating moments that stir the soul and evoke strong emotions is the cornerstone of a meaningful connection. Whether it's joy, sadness, or excitement, these shared experiences deepen the bond, making every heartbeat and every tear a testament to the strength of your relationship. Rarity is the realization that what you offer cannot be found just anywhere. It's the uniqueness of your character, the distinctiveness of your presence that sets you apart. This scarcity makes your attention and affection a treasure in the eyes of your partner. Reciprocity lies at the heart of a thriving relationship. When you show genuine interest and care, it fosters a mutual investment. This deepens the bond, as both parties feel valued and understood, creating a cycle of giving that continuously enriches the connection. Introducing novelty is like breathing fresh air into your relationship. Continually bringing new ideas and experiences to the table keeps the excitement alive. It ensures that the relationship remains vibrant, offering endless opportunities for discovery and shared joy. Confidence is magnetic in any relationship. When you display self-assurance, it not only enhances your allure but also makes your partner feel more drawn to you. This desirability stems from being secure in who you are, making your attention a sought-after reward. Maintaining independence within a relationship is key to its longevity. By having your own life and interests, you become more attractive, inviting your partner into a world that's enriched with diverse experiences. This autonomy fosters a healthy dynamic where both individuals can grow. Empathy is the bridge that connects hearts. By understanding and reflecting your partner's feelings, you establish a deep emotional connection. This foundation of empathy ensures a relationship where both individuals feel seen, heard, and profoundly connected on a soulful level. Humor acts as the glue in any strong relationship, creating unforgettable moments that bind two people closer. It's the laughter shared in the quiet or chaotic moments that builds a resilient bond, transforming even the mundane into cherished memories together. Opening up about your fears and hopes may seem daunting, but vulnerability is a powerful tool in deepening connections. By sharing your true self, you invite your partner into your inner world, fostering a sense of intimacy and trust that is hard to break. Passion is the spark that can keep the flame of interest alive. Showing enthusiasm for your interests not only ignites curiosity but also encourages mutual exploration and understanding. It's the zeal you bring to your life that can inspire your partner to dive deeper into their own passions. Listening isn't just about hearing words, it's about acknowledging feelings, thoughts, and the unspoken. When you truly listen, you make the other person feel seen and valued. This attentiveness is the cornerstone of a healthy and thriving relationship. Eye contact is a simple yet profound way of connecting without words. A meaningful look can convey understanding, empathy, and love more powerfully than any speech. It's these nonverbal cues that often strengthen the bond between two people, creating a deep, unspoken understanding. Surprise them with gestures that light up their day, from a handwritten note tucked into their bag to an impromptu picnic in the park. These unexpected tokens of affection deepen the bond, making every moment together feel like an exciting discovery. Consistency in your actions and presence lays a foundation of trust and security. Being someone they can rely on, whether in times of joy or distress, strengthens the connection. It's the everyday reliability that builds a lasting relationship. Creativity keeps the spark alive, turning ordinary days into canvases of shared laughter and joy. Whether it's crafting a homemade gift or planning a themed movie night, your imaginative efforts show them they're worth every thought and effort. Sharing goals and dreams isn't just about planning for the future, it's about weaving your lives together, step by step. Discussing aspirations and supporting each other's objectives cements a partnership that's both ambitious and nurturing. The power of touch, from a gentle caress to a comforting hug, communicates love in a language words cannot. It's a silent promise of support and affection, strengthening the emotional bond and making every touch a reaffirmation of your connection. Engaging in intellectually stimulating conversations is a vital element in keeping a relationship vibrant. By challenging each other's thoughts and indulging in meaningful debates, you not only sharpen your minds but also deepen your connection, discovering new layers to your partnership. Creating shared experiences lays the foundation for a robust bond. Whether it's through travel, hobbies, or simply trying out new cuisines together, these adventures become the stories you share, strengthening your relationship and crafting unforgettable memories that you both cherish. Sincerity is the cornerstone of trust in any relationship. Being genuine in your words and actions assures your partner of your authenticity. This transparency builds a foundation of trust, making your connection unbreakable and your communication effortless and open. Respect in a relationship goes beyond mere admiration for each other's qualities and accomplishments. It encompasses acknowledging differences, embracing individuality, and supporting each other's boundaries. This mutual respect creates a nurturing environment for love to flourish and grow. Balancing independence with interdependence is like dancing a beautifully choreographed routine. By maintaining your autonomy while embracing your partner's support, you create a dynamic of mutual reliance that's both empowering and comforting, ensuring a healthy, long-lasting relationship. Patience in a relationship is akin to watering a plant, allowing it to grow at its own pace. Understanding and flexibility are the sun and soil, providing a nurturing environment. By giving your partner time and space, you cultivate a deeper bond. Adventure breathes life into love, encouraging both partners to step out of their comfort zones. Exploring new experiences together not only strengthens the bond but also keeps the flame of curiosity alive. It's in these moments that memories are forged, lasting a lifetime. Support is the backbone of any strong relationship. Being your partner's biggest cheerleader, especially during their lows, builds a foundation of trust and mutual respect. It's this unwavering encouragement that empowers them to achieve their dreams, knowing they have your unconditional backing. Forgiveness is the art of navigating mistakes with grace, focusing not on the fault but on the lesson learned. It's about growing together, understanding that imperfection is part of the human condition. This approach fosters a resilient bond, built on mutual growth and understanding. Continuous growth ensures that the relationship never stagnates. Committing to personal and relational development means always striving to be better, for each other and with each other. This dynamic keeps the partnership fresh, engaging, and evolving, ensuring that love matures beautifully over time.